At some point, we'll experience a cough or have a coughing fit. What causes this? Medicine Beyond the Basics with Dr. Edwin. Do follow for more health information. Irritants or allergens could enter through our nose, our nostrils, or our mouth and go down our trachea into our lungs, irritating it. Mucus could also cause this from a cold or from an infection, be it bacterial or viral. Lining the trachea are cilia, little finger-like projections. They help catch those irritants or that mucus to help it expelled from the body. If those irritants get down into the lungs, it creates a response involving the nerves and muscles, forcing air out of your lungs and carrying those irritants or that mucus with it. So it's a normal response for the body to protect itself.